Have you ever wondered how fast something is moving? Well, that's where velocity comes in. Velocity is a term used to describe the speed and direction of an object's motion. Let's say this car is traveling at a speed of 60 miles per hour to the right. Its velocity is 60 miles per hour to the right. Velocity is an essential concept in physics and is used to calculate things like acceleration, force, and momentum. The formula for velocity is velocity equals distance traveled over time taken. So, if the car in our example traveled 60 miles in 1 hour, its velocity would be 60 miles per hour to the right. Velocity is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude and direction. Understanding velocity is critical in many areas of science and technology, including transportation, engineering, and even space exploration. So next time you see an object in motion, think about its velocity and the direction it's moving. It might just help you understand the world a little better.